Why am I so nervous today?
I don't know. Give me a hug. Well, because I'm nervous as well. Yeah, let's just forget about it. Like,
Yes,
this is just a
yes.
customer who comes in and it's like, oh, it's plastic-free July.
Yeah.
What is that?
All right.
Okay.
Yeah. Rolling? Okay. Hi guys, welcome everyone. July is here, and what does that mean? It means it's plastic-free July. So today we're going to talk about that and also recommend you some like easiest swabs that we offer here at Gram. So stay tuned. All right. Hi guys, my name is Chao and this is Joe. We run Sweden's first package-free shop, Gram, here in Malmö, and we offer choices to help people reduce waste in their daily lives.
So today we're going to talk about plastic-free July. And Chao, can you tell us like what does it mean?
Yeah. So it's actually a movement started almost 10 years ago, actually 9 years ago, in 2011 in Australia, and but now obviously it has become a global movement. So basically it's about in July we try to encourage people to take simple steps to avoid using single-use plastics. So it's actually, you can start very small, so don't be scared.
Exactly, don't be scared. You have to be perfect. Any act towards lowering your waste is a great step forward.
Yeah, because the name is a little bit intimidating, just like zero waste, but it's actually a goal basically that we should try to aim for, but it doesn't mean that you have to reach there immediately.
Yes, you can start from anywhere. You can do little things. You can be mindful about it. You can just watch a documentary and get inspired. You can do one simple step and get really good at it, and then it just feels so good.
Yeah.
And any kind of step towards lowering your waste is always a right step.
Yeah, so you can take a look at their website. There are a lot of information, inspiration, and also actually you can sign up for a challenge.
For a challenge?
Yeah.
A personal challenge. You can challenge your workmates, you can challenge your workspace, you can challenge people who work for you as a community. All sorts of different options, and it could be one day, could be a week, could be the whole month. Yeah. Could be plastic, could be, it doesn't have to be plastic, but like lowering the waste by not buying some item. So anything counts.
What we can offer here at Gram is actually some swabs that you can do in your life with the regular plastic products. And today we're going to introduce you 5 easiest one. So whether for you who might be unfamiliar with this and just want to take the first steps but a little bit unsure where to start, or if you're already a zero waste professional but you want to encourage, either improve or encourage your friends, family to try some like really simple stuff, then these things are the ones that can just totally be embedded into your regular daily routines. You don't really have to change the habit and
completely or do something different. It's just the same things but with a different item. Yeah.
So the first one are brushes. Yes, exactly. So we offer so many different options of brushes here with more sustainable materials. I personally would suggest starting with bamboo toothbrush. This is among one of my very first swabs. Exactly. And so many colors, really nice design, and we also offer a medium hardness of brush hair or a soft one, so it depends on which kind you use, and also 2 really cute ones for kids. Yeah.
Easy kitchen swap is the dish brush, which replaces the sponge. That's really easy swap. All you have to do is just buy the brush next time. And this one offers a reusable head.
Yeah.
So you can leave the handle. All you have to do is just replace that leg.
You have to loosen this ring first. So also a pot brush made of wooden handle, and bottle brush, straw brush, that's nail brush,
and with
veggie brush
as well for nail brush, like little cute ones.
Also these like super cute interdental brushes, which is harder to find with more sustainable materials in regular stores. So yeah, great.
Nice.
So next one is
a safety razor, which was a really easy swap for me. I decided that one day I just have to stop buying plastic razors. It was so frustrating every time when I had to buy it, and I was promising to myself, and then one day I said, this is it, I'm investing in this little beauty, and all you have to do is swap the blades here once a month for, depending how often you use it, and that's the only waste that this creates.
And we sell the refills like 10 blades in a box, so last, I would say, years even. Yeah. For me. I don't know about you. Yeah. Next one is actually our very popular stasher bags, and quite some people are already very familiar with them. I personally, we offer 4 sizes, like small, medium, and 2 big ones, and one that can actually stand. I personally use this most. I figure it's good to freeze things, and it's easy to break the frozen stuff inside. So that part is definitely better than the box. It's dishwasher friendly. I also use it to marinate ingredients before cooking.
I use it as a snack bag, or a sandwich bag for kids. I think they're really easy to use, really easy to open.
It's just a best replacement for a single-use Ziploc bag, especially for me when I make something like a cheesecake. You know, you have to make those. Is that called pie crust? No, bottom crust. Yeah, and you know, you have to, usually in those cooking videos, you see people using Ziploc bags and just put digestive biscuits inside and then bend them. Smash them. Yes.
So you can do it in stasher bags.
Yes, and just reuse it. So it's actually made of silicone. It looks like plastic, but it's actually 100% silicone, 100% plastic free.
Yeah. My next easy swap was a dedication to not buy any more Glade wrap. So instead of the Glade wrap, I decided to invest in the beeswax wrap, which here in Gram we got a couple of different options, but these ones are really easy for if you just wanted to put it over a bowl or a plate of leftover things, because that's where I think the Glade wrap is used the most. So all you have to do is just invest in one of those, and next time when you have leftovers, you can just put your beeswax wax over a bowl and put it in the fridge. And you can wash them if they get a little bit dirty in here. You can wash them in warm lukewarm water and get rid of the grease or whatever if touched the some food that you and it's also good for like if you have half an onion or some vegetable that you haven't finished eating, and you can just wrap this. Yeah, okay, I can wrap this. Just show you like that, and then you can just put it in the fridge and it stays fresh. And what's in here? It's a cotton cloth with beeswax, jojoba oil, and
resin from tree.
Yep.
Yeah. And from this brand Moda, they also use rescued fabric, which is also very nice. The very last one, we almost forgot about it. Is like this. I would say this is the easiest. Okay. The cotton swabs, but with bamboo handles. We got 100 pieces, so it lasts for a long time, and each one is like with bamboo handle. Yes. And I would say bamboo is actually among one of the plants that grows fastest in the world. So it's one of the most sustainable materials. So those are the 5 easiest swabs that we recommend, and which are also available here at Gram.
But stay tuned to our social media. We will inspire you the whole July to do something, and to we will inspire you with documentaries or recommend a documentary to watch.
And you can also visit Plastic Free July's official website, or read through the whole series of more ideas from written by our founder Rowan, which is also available on our website's blog or on our social media, on Instagram, basically.
Yep.
Yeah. Right. So yeah,
Stay tuned and
Thank
be
you so
inspired. Take it easy. And remember, it's always just the little efforts that you have to do towards a better future. And if every individual can just do one little thing, it doesn't have to be big, and it doesn't have to take a lot of your habits that you have to change. It's just a little thing, and if million people are gonna do it, millions, then we're going towards the right direction.
absolutely.
Thank you.
Have a nice day. Hej då!